make this incredible anti-inflammatory soup. God, why are you looking at me like that? So the first thing that you're going to need, 3 stalks of celery, 3 carrots, a lemon for vitamin C, you need 5 cloves of garlic. Garlic is a really good antibacterial and antifungal. Just in there. You're going to need 4 teaspoons of olive oil, healthy fats and anti-inflammatory, 2 onions, 1 teaspoon of salt in here for minerals and half a teaspoon of pepper, and then a teaspoon of turmeric, rich in phytonutrients, so very important. About this much ginger, about 2 inches I'd say. This is really good for digestion and your immune system. 2 bay leaves. This is roughly 2 tablespoons of butter on here. This is just to cook the veggies in. About 1/4 cup of coriander. This can help absorb heavy metals and it promotes good brain health. We've got basil, which is really good. It can improve your circulation. And then we've got some fresh parsley. This is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. You can make your own bone broth or you can buy it. We have these in the fridge. It's this organic grass-fed beef bone broth, and this one's really good. And you know it's good bone broth when it's kind of jelly-ish. It's all the collagen. So I'm using 3 bags, and the ingredients in this are really, really good. You can definitely make your own though, and I can do a video on that as well. These 3 together is roughly 950 grams. The last ingredient is the wild rice. Great for bone health, it's got all of the essential amino acids, and it's also gluten-free. And then obviously the chicken. So this is the whole chicken here. I've just put some paprika, salt, pepper, olive oil, and then stuffed it with a few of the spare veggies. We're going to put that in the oven now. I'm going to set the timer for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So we first need to find a big pot, size comparison. The last thing that we're going to do is grate up the garlic. So I have this little thing, it's a little blender. It's all diced up for me. I'm going to put the pan onto medium heat, so I'm going to put it on about heat 7. Once it's heated up a little bit, we'll add the butter. Okay, so that's just been simmering for a minute or so. Do that, and you can add as much garlic as you want. I ended up going for 5 cloves, but some people only use 3. Some people use a whole head of garlic, so it's up to you. Then give that all a mix around, and it should smell really good at this point. Salt and our pepper. And put the lid back on for a few minutes. So whilst I'm waiting, I'm going to zest my lemon and my ginger. Over each. Squeeze the juice. And for now, we're going to put that to the side for later. So this is now starting to cook well. It's all soft and kind of caramelised. Let's add the bone broth. Number 1, make sure you get all of the jelly because that's collagen. Number 2, just going to zest into it. Turmeric. This is about a teaspoon. Olive oil. This is about 4 tablespoons. Put the lid on and let that simmer at about medium heat, so about number 6. So I've just washed my wild rice and it will go a bit purple, so just rinse it about 3 or 4 times. We're going to add half a litre of filtered water. Well, this is reverse osmosis water. Add that in. We're just going to let this simmer for a while now. The chicken's got about half an hour on it, so we'll leave this simmering for about half an hour. I'm going to add these 2 bay leaves in. So I've just taken the chicken out of the oven. This is what it's looking like. The reason why you need to use a whole chicken is because you get all of this really good fat and collagen. Also, nowadays it's about £7 to £9 for some organic chicken breasts. If you just get one organic chicken, by weight, the size of chicken we got was £15, and we're going to get so many more nutrients out of it. This bowl of chicken is massive. Just make sure you get every single scrap of chicken that you can do. Just be careful that you don't put any bones in there. Okay, so we've got the onion here. I've got some of the little garlic pieces, and then we've got all the fat and all of the shredded up chicken, and we're now going to add that in. We're going to add it all in carefully. Kind of pin ourselves. Make sure you get all of the fat from the bowl in. So it's just simmering away for a bit now, and I'm putting it up to about heat 4.5, so medium to low. I've just taken out the bay leaves. We just need to quickly add in the herbs. Save a tiny little bit of each for the top. About that much. So coriander, basil, parsley. All of that in there. Add a tiny bit of salt. Okay guys, here is the finished soup. Look at that. Golden goodness. Okay guys, let's do a taste test. Got a big chunk of chicken. Wow. That is amazing. If you need a boost of your immune system, you need to make this. It is absolutely amazing. It tastes so good, and it's got so many good things for you in there. I hope you enjoyed the first Cooking with Hannah video. Bye guys!